In South Africa, we've got 800 million tons of gold tailings. That contains 30 million ounces recoverable gold, approximately, equivalent to 6 Tier 1 gold mines. Worldwide, you've got 16 billion tons with 450 million ounces in there. And on an energy return on energy invested basis, it's 90% more efficient and 90% less capital intensive to work and to process tailings than it is to start a primary mine. Not to mention the permitting cycle and everything else. It takes 16 to 20 years to find and build a new mine today in most jurisdictions. This bull market in precious metals, it's been decades in the making, since '71 when Nixon took away the gold standard. But gold and silver remain sound money. It's the only thing that's worth having in reality. And it has to be noted that gold supply only increases 1.5% to 2% a year worldwide. The bulk of that's in China, and the Chinese don't export gold. Everything is kept to themselves at home. Other countries are starting to do the same to underwrite their future economic situation. What is the impact? Well, if we look at precious metals, okay, there was no demand in 2016 for gold and silver. Today it's off the charts. I invite you to go and try and buy some gold Krugerrands. Just go and try it right now. 3 months delivery, if you're lucky. There's no gold because the central banks are sucking it all up. Currencies are going to be debased, and the only thing worth going to be having is going to be metals and commodities, precious metals. Uranium's definitely coming to the fore again. Very few people realize that, until the mid-80s, South Africa was the biggest supplier in the world of uranium. And today, as it stands, we have lots of tailings in this country. We have about 120 to 150 million pounds of uranium in tailings. The gold mines, as they now, if they restart their uranium plants, they can produce uranium as a byproduct. So there's still a strong position for South Africa to re-enter the uranium market. What is your biggest indicator of what's happening in the world? The billionaires. You look at the top 10 billionaires. They're very public, they're very vocal, look at what they're doing. They're not investing in bonds, they're not investing in fiat money, they're buying gold and silver bullion.